Kia ora. Today I am going to be showing you how to set up a GitHub account as well as setting up your first game with GitHub Desktop. So the first thing you're wanting to do is to go to github.com and sign up for GitHub, probably using your own personal email address. I highly recommend this, as things like GitHub are excellent for showing your portfolios when you're looking for work. Excellent. So after you've signed up, you'll be greeted by a screen like this. So the next thing you're going to want to do is download GitHub Desktop. GitHub Desktop is an amazing little tool. And once you've downloaded and installed it, you should have something that looks like this. Now, once you've got something that looks like this, File, Options, Sign In, Continue. And this will authorize your desktop together. Awesome. Now we've set up our GitHub Desktop with our account, as you can see there. The next thing you want to do is set up your first repository. File, New Repository. We are going to choose to make one using the game that we have just made, Space Shooter. So we're going to select that folder and we're going to name it Space Shooter. Excellent. Cool. This is a space game. Space 2D game. Awesome. And we're going to create it. Now, what GitHub will do is it will create a folder inside of that folder, Space Shooter here, and all you're going to want to do is grab all of these files and chuck it into here. We want to replace the file with those attributes because that's our new game. Once that's all sorted, you'll notice that these changes all come up. So what you're going to want to do is do your first commit. So commits are basically the upload for what we're doing. So I'm going to just call it first and I'm going to commit to main. Now, it isn't quite set up just yet. The next thing we've got to do is we've got to also go here and publish the repository. We're going to keep it private, because that'll keep it all safe, but I will publish this publicly once it's done. Excellent. And as you can see, we now have no local changes. If you want to check, which you should, that it's all gone through, you should be able to go to GitHub now, and you'll see that right there is our new repository with all the stuff going in it. As we change it and update this, there'll be more commits up here. But this is an excellent place to get started. Alright, so this is a little bit later. I've now updated some of the things inside of my game, and I am wanting to push the next lot of changes that I've made. So the really important thing we need to do is make sure we put in a title for what this is. So this is adding assets. And once we've done that, commit to main. And then it still hasn't quite uploaded all the stuff yet, so we need to push it. Now, if we go back and check GitHub Desktop and refresh this page, you will see that we've now got a new commit in there, and all of these PNG files were added just now. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, look after yourselves, look after each other, and I'll see you next time.